Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? Welcome back to Yummy the Internet, where cooking is simple, fun, and easy. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. But if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I want to thank the 500 of you who have believed in me, who have subscribed to our channel, and keep on telling a friend to tell another friend of another friend to subscribe to our channel. So guys, it's been a minute and I have missed you in my kitchen, and today we're going to be preparing something amazing. It's an African staple food. And so guys, we are going to be preparing mokimo. Let me just take you through our ingredients. So guys, we have our potatoes, we have pumpkin leaves, we have githeri, a mixture of maize and beans, and it's boiled. We have red onions, and we have salt to taste. So guys, let's get into the kitchen. Okay, so the first step, guys, I'm just going to boil my pumpkin leaves, as well as my potatoes. Let me just add water to the pumpkin leaves, just enough. Then to my potatoes. There we go. And then we're going to overcook the potatoes. We're just going to let our... So guys, I've just added enough water to our vegetables, and what I was saying is that we're going to let our potatoes overcook so that we may be able to mash them easily. So I'm just going to add salt into the potatoes so that the salt can get into it well as it cooks. Just add enough salt so that it may get into the potato.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are moving on. Well, the greens are almost ready. Let's check the potatoes. Yes, they're almost there. As you can see, I want them overcooked so that they can easily mash. Then after our greens are ready, I'm going to let them cool, since I want to blend them and I can't blend them when they are hot. So I'm going to keep you posted. So guys, let's blend the greens, since by now they have cooled down. So let's just blend them. They are cooked, so we just need to blend them. Added a little salt. Then I'm going to add a little water just to make it blend.
2,000 years later.
So we are planning to run a major and a huge giveaway. It's coming soon. And as I was saying, some are asking, hi Antoinette, how can we reach you? So I'm going to attach our number right here. You will just WhatsApp, or we are going to check our description box. We are going to put in our business email there, or you can also send us a DM on the... You can DM us our social. So guys, the next step is I'm going to add in my boiled potatoes into the onions. That's why I wanted it overcooked, so that it does not become a hassle for me when I want to mash them. Okay, so then I'm going to add in the githeri at this point. I want to mix it well. Let me just mix it. I'll be mixing as I mash. Then I'm going to add in some little salt. Remember, we boiled our potatoes with salt, so you don't add much. I'm going to add in our potatoes, a little salt just to taste. Then let me just use a wooden stick. I think it will be much easier for me to mash with. I'm going to hold my sufuria. Let's do this. I'm going to mash it slowly.
Much later.
So guys, I'm done mashing our potatoes. Let me just, at this point, we are going to add in our blended pumpkin. We'll add in kidogo kidogo, I mean bit by bit, as we mix.
Much later.
Hey guys, and our mokimo is ready. It's as simple and clear as that. I've just mixed in the blended pumpkin leaves, and I'm still continuing the process of mashing, and this is ready to be served. There we go guys, our food is ready, mokimo, and I have served it with wet fried beef. Though I've not overdone my beef, like I've not decorated it that much, I've not put spices into it because I want us to take pure natural food today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's see you in my next video. Bye bye.